Welcome to Auto In this guide, I will show you how to fix browser DCP-T310 error 50 and get your printer working again step by step.
Fix 1. Restart the printer. Step 1. Turn off the printer using the power button. Step 2. Unplug the power cable from the wall socket. Step 3. Wait 30 seconds. Step 4. Plug the cable back in and turn the printer on. Step 5. Try printing again. Fix 2. Check for paper jam. Step 1. Open the scanner cover. Step 2. Look for any jammed paper inside. Step 3. Gently remove the stuck paper without tearing it. Step 4. Check the paper tray and rear side for small pieces. Step 5. Close the cover and retry printing. Fix 3. Reset the printer settings. Step 1. Press menu on the printer. Step 2. Go to initial setup. Step 3. Select reset, machine reset. Step 4. Press OK and confirm. Step 5. The printer will restart. Fix 4. Check ink tubes and carriage pot. Step 1. Open the front cover. Step 2. Check if ink tubes are stuck or blocking the carriage. Step 3. Position tubes gently if needed. Step 4. Make sure the print head moves freely. Step 5. Restart the printer.